Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, Poetry Time, we will learn about reciprocal pronouns. So, open up page number 17 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what are reciprocal pronouns. A reciprocal pronoun expresses a mutual action or relationship. It is used when two or more people are doing the same action and experience the same results. The examples of reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another, and these are the only two reciprocal pronouns. First of all, let us see the example of each other. Each other is used when there are only two persons. For example, we should help each other, and we met each other at the park. These two sentences show that there are only two people involved. Now, let's come to the example of one another. One another is used when there are three or more persons and it is not clear how many people are involved in the action. Let's look at the examples. The first one is all the students must help one another in writing the poem. This example shows that the number of students are not clear. There might be more than 3 students. Let's look at another example. We should respect one another. Now, let's do an activity. Make 5 sentences using each other and one another on a loose sheet.